Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 7, exercise 7H of chapter 7 of chapter name is Algebra of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 7, exercise 7H. Chapter name is Algebra and topic is number sequence and patterns. Now we'll solve question number 1. Question number 1 is a number pattern is given by the rule Tn equal to 2n plus 1 where Tn is the term in the number pattern and n is the number of the term. First bit is write down the first 6 terms of the pattern. We have given the number pattern is Tn equal to 2n plus 1 and we have to find the first 6 terms. First term is when n equal to 1, T1 will be 2 multiplied with 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. Second term, when n is 2, T2 will be 2 multiplied with 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 is 5. Third term, when n equal to 3, Tn will be T3 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Fourth term, when n equal to 4, T4 will be 2 multiplied with 4 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. Fifth term, when n equal to 5, T5 will be 2 multiplied with 5 plus 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. Sixth term, T6 will be 2 multiplied with 6 plus 1, 12 plus 1 is 13. These are the first 6 terms of this pattern, of this number pattern Tn equal to 2n plus 1. Now we'll solve question number second bit B. Write down the 1000 terms of the pattern. Given the number pattern is Tn equal to 2n plus 1 and 1000 term will be T 1000 equal to, we have to put the value of n is 1000. T 1000 equal to 2 multiplied with 1000 plus 1. 2 multiplied with 1000 is 2000, 2000 plus 1 is 2001. So 1000 term of this pattern Tn equal to 2n plus 1 is 2001. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is a number pattern is given by the rule Tn equal to 20n minus 9 where Tn is the term in the number pattern and n is the number of the terms. First bit, find the first 4 terms. Given the number pattern is Tn equal to 20n minus 9. We have to find the first 4 terms. So first term will be n equal to 1, T1 will be 20 multiplied with 1 minus 9. 20 multiplied with 1 is 20, 20 minus 9 is 11. Second term, when n equal to 2, second term will be T2 equal to 20 multiplied with 2 minus 9. 20 multiplied with 2 is 40, 40 minus 9 is 31. Third term, when n equal to 3, T3 equal to 20 multiplied with 3 minus 9. 20 multiplied with 3 is 60, 60 minus 9 is 51. Fourth term, when n equal to 4, T4 will be 20 multiplied with 4 minus 9. 20 multiplied with 4 is 80, 80 minus 9 is 71. These are the first four terms of the number pattern Tn equal to 20n minus 9. Now we'll solve question number second bit. Find the 10th terms. We have given the number pattern Tn equal to 20n minus 9. We have to find the 10th term. 10th term will be, we have to put the value of n equal to 10. So T10 will be 20 multiplied with 10 minus 9. 20 multiplied with 10 is 200. 200 minus 9 is 191. Third bit C. Find the 300th terms. We have given the number pattern Tn equal to 20n minus 9, and we have to find the 300th term. We have to put the value of n equal to 300. So T 300 term will be T 300 equal to 20 multiplied with 300 minus 9. 20 multiplied with 300 is 6000. 6000 minus 9 is 5991. Now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 is a number pattern is given by the rule Tn equal to 60n, where Tn is the term in the number pattern and n is the number of terms. First bit is write the first three terms. Given the number pattern Tn is 60n and we have to find the first three terms. So first term will be n equal to, when n equal to 1, T1 will be 60 multiplied with 1, that is 60. Second term, n equal to 2, then T2 will be 60 multiplied with 2, that is 120. Third term will be n equal to 3, T3 will be 60 multiplied with 3, that is 180. These are the first three terms of the number pattern Tn equal to 60n. Second bit B. Find the 8th term. We have given the number pattern Tn equal to 60n. Then 8th term will be, we have to put the value of n equal to 8. So T8 will be 60 multiplied with 8, that is 480. So 8th term of the number pattern Tn equal to 60n will be 480. Now we'll solve question number third bit C. Write the 19th term. We have given the number pattern Tn equal to 60n. We have to find the 19th term. That is, we have to put the value of n is 19. So 19th term will be T19 equal to 60 multiplied with 19. That is 1140. So 19th term will be 1140. D. Find the 100th term. We have to find the 100th term of the number pattern Tn equal to 60n. We have given the number pattern Tn equal to 60n. So 100th term will be, we have to put the value of n equal to 100. So 100 terms will be T 100 equal to 60 multiplied with 100, that is 6000. So 100 term of the number pattern Tn equal to 60n is 6000. Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 is a number pattern is given by the rule Tn equal to 300 minus 7n, where Tn is the term in the number pattern and n is the number of terms. First bit is write the first three terms. We have given the number pattern is Tn equal to 300 minus 7n. We have to find the first three terms. So first term will be when n equal to 1, T1 will be 300 minus 7 multiplied with 1. 300 minus 7 is 293. Second term, when n equal to 2, T2 will be, second term T2 will be 300 minus 7 multiplied with 2. 300 minus 14 equal to 286. Third term, when n equal to 3, third term T3 will be 300 minus 7 multiplied with 3. 300 minus 21 will be 279. These are the first three terms of the number pattern Tn equal to 300 minus 7n. Second bit, find the 20th term. We have to find the 20th term of the number pattern Tn equal to 300 minus 7n. We have given the number pattern Tn equal to 300 minus 7n, and we have to find the 20th term. That is, we have to put the value of n equal to 20. So 20th term will be T20 equal to 300 minus 7 multiplied with 2 in 20, that is 300 minus 140. 300 minus 140 will be 160. So 20th term of the number pattern Tn equal to 300 minus 70n 7n, 300 minus 7n will be 160. Now we'll solve question number third bit C. Write the 45th term. We have given the number pattern Tn equal to 300 minus 7n, and we have to find the 45th term. So we have to put the value of n equal to 45. So 45th term will be T45 equal to 300 minus 7 multiplied with 45. 300 minus 7 multiplied with 45 is 315. So 300 minus 315 is minus 15. So minus 15 is the 45th term of the number pattern Tn equal to 300 minus 7n. D. Write the 120th term. We have given the number pattern Tn equal to 300 minus 7n, and we have to find the 120th term of the number pattern. 120th term of the number pattern will be, we have to put the value of n is 120. So 120th term is T 120 equal to 300 minus 7 multiplied with 120. 300 minus 7 840. 7 multiplied with 120 is 840. So 300 minus 840 is minus 540. So minus 540 is the 120th term of the number pattern Tn equal to 300 minus 7n. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is complete the table using the given formula. First bit is y equal to 3x minus 2. We have given the formula y equal to 3x minus 2. We have to find the value of this y for the other value of x. Given y equal to 3x minus 2, when x equal to 1, we have to put the value of x equal to 1 in y equal to 3x minus 2. So y will be 3 multiplied with 1 minus 2. 3 multiplied with 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. When x equal to 1, y will be 1. Then we have to put the value of x is 2. X equal to 2, y will be 3 multiplied with 2 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So when x is 2, y is 4. Now we have to put the value of x is 3. X equal to 3. When x is 3, y will be 3 multiplied with 3 minus 2. 3 multiplied with 3 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. So when x is 3, y is 7. Now x is 4. We have to put the value of x is 4. Then y will be 3 multiplied with 4 minus 2. 3 multiplied with 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. So when x is 4, y is 10. Now x is 5. We have to put the value of x is 5. Then y will be 3 multiplied with 5 minus 2. 3 multiplied with 5 is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. So when x is 5, y is 13. Now we'll solve question number second bit B. N equal to 7m minus 3. We have to complete the table using the given formula n equal to 7m minus 3. We have to find the value of n for the following value of m. When given n equal to 7m minus 3, When m equal to 1, then n will be, we have to put the value of m equal to 1 in n, then n will be 7 multiplied with 1 minus 3. 7 multiplied with 1 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4. So when m equal to 1, n will be 4. Now m equal to 2, we have to put the value of m is 2, then n will be 7 multiplied with 2 minus 3. 7 multiplied with 2 is 14, 14 minus 3 is 11. So when m is 2, n is 11. Now we have to put the value of m is 10. When m is 10, n will be 7 multiplied with 10 minus 3. 7 multiplied with 10 is 70, 70 minus 3 is 67. So when m is 10, n is 67. Now put the value of m is 100. When m is 100, n will be 7 multiplied with 100 minus 3. 7 multiplied with 100 is 700. 700 minus 3 is 697. When m is 100, n will be 697. Now put the value of m is 250. When m is 250, n will be 7 multiplied with 250 minus 3. 7 multiplied with 250 is 1750 minus 3 equal to 1747. So when m is 250, n will be 1747. Now we'll solve question number 6. Question number 6 is, look at the patterns and fill the missing boxes. State the rule which connects the quantities in the different column. Find the generalized statement for n in each case. When n equal to 15, T15 will be, when n is 15, we have given n is 15 and T15 will be 10. T15 is 10, that is 15 minus 5. N is 15, 15 minus 5 is 10. When n is 14, T14 will be, T14 given is 9. So 14 minus 9, 14 minus, we know 14 minus 5 is 9. So T14 is 14 minus 5, that is 9. When n is 13, given T13 is 8. T13 is 8, that is 13 minus 5. N is 13, 13 minus 5 is 8. When n is 10, T10 will be, when n is 12, 12 minus 5 is 7. T12 is 7, given 7, 12 minus 5 is 7. When n is 11, 11 minus 5 is 6. T11 will be 11 minus 5, that is 6. When n is 10, T10 will be 10 minus 5 is 5. Given T10 will be 5. When n is 0, T0 will be, from this sequence we get n equal to 0, then 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is 5. T0 will be minus 5. From the above sequence we get n, when n equal to minus 3, T minus 3 will be minus 3 minus 5, as we have to subtract 5 from each number when n, for the value of n. So here n is minus 3, so T minus 3 will be minus 3 minus 5. We have to subtract 5 from the number minus 3. 5 minus 3, 13, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. So T minus 3 is minus 8. So the number sequence of this pattern is n minus 5. So when n is n, so Tn will be n minus 5. So number sequence is n minus 5. So pattern of this sequence of numbers is n minus 5. Now we'll solve question number 7. Question number 7 is for each sequence find first general rule, then nth term and 100th term of this sequence. First bit is the number sequence is 5, 10, 15, 20. This is the number sequence given 5, 10, 15, 20, and we have to find the general rule and nth term and the 100th term of this sequence. So given number sequence is 5, 10, 15 and 20. Then first bit general rule is 5 is 5 multiplied with 9, 5 multiplied with 1, 10 is 5 multiplied with 2, 15 is 5 multiplied with 3, 20 is 5 multiplied with 4. So nth term of this sequence is Tn equal to 5 multiplied with n, 5n. Tn equal to 5n. We have to multiply the number 1, 2, 3, 4 with 5. So nth term is Tn equal to 5n. And 100th term will be, we have to put the value of n is 100. So T 100 will be 5 multiplied with 100. T 100 is 5 multiplied with 100, that is 500. So 100th term of the number sequence is 500. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.